Mama Roddy? Did you get lost? Oh. Katrina, Virginia, can we find a Roddy rescue for her? Come here, Mama. I'm sorry you had to get up. Oh, you're so cute. I'm sorry, baby girl. I'm sorry. You're okay. This little girl is lost, and this little girl, she's the older dog, but she was surrendered because they didn't have enough time for her. Sadie, sit. Good girl, Sadie.